Sculpted with real 3D curves, it gives your creations more depth and detail. Just mix chocolate, butter, and cream. Melt it all together nice and slow. Fill the mold and pop it in the freezer for 5 hours. Pop it out. Dust with cocoa, decorate. And you're done! Mix equal parts of A and B, just keep it within 0.5 gram difference to get a perfect cure. Stir for 30 seconds, scraping the bottom and sides. Pour and wait, it sets in about 2 hours. Loosen the edges, then flip the mold to release. Mix in 2 pumps of brown, stir until it stretches like honey. That's when it's ready to drizzle. Drizzle, then crumb it up. Adds depth and detail. Add 0.5 pump to the brown mix, stir for a minute, and let it get thicker. Then pull fine threads over the top with a stick.